Thank you for purchasing the Mogwai Reversal Alerts Indicator, or as we like to call it, the Blue Alerts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the cTrader Blue Alerts Indicator to your personal Telegram bot to receive alerts with screenshots, right on your mobile phone. But first, one quick note. For more Blue Alerts products, go to blue-alerts.com. There you will find the Blue Alerts indicator for other platforms and also the Blue Alerts cBot, so you can automate your strategy. Alright, let's get started. Now let's connect the Blue Alerts cTrader indicator to Telegram. This gives you the power to receive your Blue Alerts instantly, straight on your phone. But it gets even better. With every alert, Blue Alerts can also send you a screenshot of the actual trade setup. So you don't just get an alert, you can immediately see what's happening on the chart. This is absolutely groundbreaking. We've never seen anything like this integrated into a trading strategy before. And that's what makes this indicator so powerful. Let's set it up. First, open Telegram. You can do this on your phone or using Telegram desktop. Then, go to the search bar and search for Blue Alerts Signal Bot. You'll see your personal bot channel appear in the search results. Click on the bot to open it. You'll now see the Blue Alerts welcome screen. From here, we can start connecting your personal Blue Alerts indicator to Telegram. Now, click Start to enable your personal Blue Alert Telegram Signal Bot. After you click Start, a personal code is generated especially for you. Please copy that code. We needed to connect the cTrader indicator to Telegram. Once you have copied the code, we need to go back to cTrader. When we are in cTrader, we need to go to the settings of the Blue Alerts indicator. Now scroll down to the Telegram section. Now, set Enable Telegram Alerts to Yes. Then paste or type in your personal Blue Alerts code, the one that we just copied from the Telegram bot. Put it in the field where it says Telegram Alert Code. If you want to receive screenshots of the alerts, then leave Send Chart Screenshot to Yes. One important thing to remember, you will always receive your Blue Alert, even when cTrader is minimized. However, if you also want to receive a screenshot of the actual chart, then that chart needs to be open and active on your desktop when the alert is triggered. So don't worry, your alerts will always fire. The only difference is that when cTrader is minimized, the alert will be sent without the chart screenshot. Yes, great job. Now click OK to confirm the settings. Awesome, you're an absolute legend. We have now connected our personal Blue Alert Telegram bot to the cTrader Blue Alert indicator. You can see on the left top screen that Telegram is connected successfully. Now let's wait for an alert. On the right I have my Telegram screen open. On the left the cTrader chart. Look, there it is. We have a blue alert and we get the Telegram signal with a screenshot of the actual trade. You can click on the screenshot to enlarge it and look at the setup. Congratulations! You have now connected your personal Telegram bot to the cTrader Blue Alerts indicator. If you have any questions, you can go to the Telegram group or fxlearning.com and Jamie or I will help you right away. Thanks again for choosing the Blue Alert strategy.